Hi guys, mag-update lang tayo tungkol dun sa in-share kong application, paying application which is Scratch Card. At yun nga, we have already withdrawn my earnings on Scratch Card at ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Dito tayo sa profile. And by the way, the minimum withdrawal amount for Scratch Card is 0.35 USD. It depends on your provider like GCash, Lazada, PayPal. So if PayPal, mas mataas yung minimum withdrawal niya. So in my case, punta tayo sa transaction natin. Kasi ito guys, kung makikita nyo dito, I have withdrawn 0.72 cents doon sa GCash ko. Kaya naman dito sa GCash, papakita ko sa inyo yung proof of withdrawal natin. Guys, dito sa transaction history natin ng GCash, may kita nyo dito, you have received GCash, which is the amount of 31 pesos. Ito guys, may kita nyo dito, it was on July 6 pa, dumating yung withdrawal. Sabi kasi doon, 2 to 3 days daw darating, pero in my case, isang araw lang siya bago naging successful yung bago dumating yung withdrawal sa GCash account ko. Maliit lang siya guys, pero legit. At yung sa akin naman kasi, itong 0.72 is siguro mga ilang beses ko lang din ginawa at hindi talaga siya tutok na tutok. Pero kung masipag kayong mag-scratch, mas marami yung kikitain nyo dito. At hindi lang yan guys, hindi din kailangan na marami kayong referrals dito kasi pwede kayong kumita ng mas malaki kapag araw-araw kayo nag-scratch to win. Kasi for example, dito sa first scratch and win, up to 20 kasi na scratch ang pwede nyong gawin at you can win up to $50. So, meron din Lucky Stars. You have 20 slots available per day. At daily ganyan guys, nagbabago. Daily yan nagre-refill ng 20 slots kapag naubos nyo yan sa isang araw. Then, meron din gold bullions. You can also win up to $50. And then, Lucky Jackpot. Marami guys, may giveaways din sila. At wala ka nga dito i-invest. Wala kang ilalabas na pera dito. Parang sipag at tiyaga lang talaga yung gagawin mo, pero hindi naman talaga siya buong araw kasi matatapos din naman talaga tong scratch and win. Meron kasi siyang limit na 20 slots per day. So kung bibilangin natin 20, 40, 60, 80, so I mean 60 slots yung pwede nyong i-scratch per day. Pwede kayong kumita ng mga gold coins na pwede nyong i-exchange to pesos at pwede rin kayong kumita ng dollars din dito sa pag-scratch nyo. Pwede rin kayong mag-invite pero sa invite naman kasi you can only earn 0.10 instantly kapag nag-verify yung friends ninyo. At per referral naman, bawat clicks nila, pwede rin kayong kumita. So, kung marami nga kayong friends na gustong sumali dito sa legit paying app na Scratch Card, syempre, mas madadagdagan yung earnings ninyo at mas mabilis kayong makapag-withdraw. Pero yung sa akin kasi, marami din akong kinitang mga dollars dito sa pag-scratch lang, kaya mabilis naka-withdraw. At yun nga, kapag masipag kayo at marami kayong time na ubos nyo yung slots per day, mas mabilis kayong maka-withdraw guys. Ang minimum lang naman is 0.35 pag GCash. So, marami naman dyan mga payment method you can choose from like Binance, Payer, OVO. So, mostly 0.35 yung minimum withdrawal. So, ito rin guys, marami din mga proof of payment, yung mga in-post nila. Ito, tulad nito, ayan. Marami na rin naka-withdraw sa mga ganyang amount. So, kung gusto nyo guys sumali, meron nga tayong step-by-step tutorial dito. So, isi-share ko yung link nasa description box para makagawa agad kayo ng account. At yun lang guys, I would say this is a legit paying app because you don't need to spend anything but you can get or earn real money from this application. So wherever you are, you can definitely join Scratch Card and earn real money. That's all for today, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more airdrops with step-by-step tutorial and other paying or earning apps. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!